Starting the facade off with basically drawing the levels. So we're going to have 1 centimeter from the base, 0.6 from the top, and then we'll divide by 3. Everything fits in a 10 by 10 centimeter cube, so that would be a 10 by 10 meter cube. Right? Adding texture, adding detailing. Now I'm going to go for shadows, for hatching, and then for shadows. Hatching the materials, shading them with a marker. Now the hatching. Need to re-thicken the line drawing so it's clear. Now we're going to add a bit of a background, just to make sure the facade stands out. We are going to have a gradient towards the bottom, so the bottom of the background is going to be darker. Re-thickening the contour lines, adding the final gradient.